First, you will create Wise account. You can use your email ID or your Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, which one you're comfortable with. Once you do that, and if you're using email ID, you can click next. If it is Google, Facebook, or Apple, you'll just go through the credential. And once that is done, here you will select what type of account you want to open. If it is from personal account you're going to send transfer, then you'll select personal account. If it is business, then you'll select the business account. Once that selection is made, you see I'm selecting personal. You have to answer this question on your country and then continue, enter your phone number. And once that is done, verification code will be sent to you. Once you verify, you have registered with Wise. Click continue. Once you are logged into Wise to send money internationally to any country, you will click on send money and then you come to this page. So since this is international, so you see here Canadian dollar 1000 and immediately it shows what the conversion rate is, everything. And you can select the country accordingly. So I'm selecting India here instead of US and then you will see the changes. Right now, if it is 1000 Canadian dollar, it will get converted as this amount what is shown in INR. If you want to send specific INR, that is Indian rupees, then once I enter here 10,000, the changes happens to the Canadian dollar and you can also see the guaranteed amount which will be in terms of the fee and the receiver here will get 10,000 Indian rupees. Once you are verified, you can click continue and once that is done, you will come to this page. Here you will select whether it's a personal transfer, business transfer. So I have selected personal transfer. Make the correct selection accordingly and then you fill the details. Here this fill your detail is your detail. Like in my case, it is I'm doing this from Canada. So my name, date of birth, everything which matches with the bank account exactly same way it gets entered. And once this is done, in this other detail, you will select your profession from this drop down. So once that is selected, you can choose the closest one and then you will select what that is from this drop down, like how I'm doing. Click continue and then you come to this page. Here you will select who this transfer is for. Like I'm selecting someone else. Once this selection is made, you will come to this page and add the recipient detail. So once the recipient name is entered, make sure the recipient name matches exactly with their bank account, which will be entered in the next step. Here I have chosen India. So India specific bank account detail are asked and then India also has UPI. If you're from any other country, then you will get those detail which has to be entered match exactly with the bank account detail. No mistakes here. Once all details are entered and you have ensured that it's all correct, click continue. On this page, you will select the purpose you are using Wise for. I have selected personal savings and then you have further options. You can pick and choose whichever is closest to you from this. Once that is done, you will select the reason for transfer from this drop down. There are multiple options. So choose the closest one. For example, I'm selecting payment to friends. You have various options. Just go through that and select and then submit. On this page, you will review every single detail, what you're transferring, how much the value is in terms of the currency you are transferring, how much it will be by the receiver's end, your fee, everything will be shown to you, including bank account. And once you have checked, rechecked, cross-check, and you're sure that everything is correct, you can see here in the sending section, it shows now, and the transfer is within seconds, and repeat is never. So once all these checks are done, you come and click on confirm and continue. Here you have various options for transfer. I will be going with direct deposit and you can see for various options what you will be charged or when the transfer would happen. So you can see everything here. I'm selecting direct deposit. This is quick and easy. Continue with the payment and the process is happening. I went with the instant verification and once that was done, continue. Now you can see it shows as sending and the receiver confirmed getting this almost instantly. So this works and hope this helps you. This is how easy it is to transfer online.